These are Hypes. Well, Thieaudio Hype 2 and Hype 4 from the Hype series of Thieaudio. It's a very simple series. All of them come with 2 dynamic driver, where Hype 2 is accompanied with 2 balance armature, Hype 4 with 4 and Hype 10 with 10. So let's see how Hype 4 and Hype 2 fare in new and quick format. So if I talk about build-in quality, Hype 2 and 4 are built very similar with slight differences in cable. And overall, Hype 2 chassis is slightly smaller in comparison. Though both of them are very good in terms of comfort and provide you with good isolation and fit. Both of these Hypes are very similar in tuning as well, with subtle differences, which makes only one of them good enough. They both are tuned on the new meta target with good bass, mids and sparkly treble. Both boast an exciting sound profile. With Hype 4 having better definition and control on bass, Hype 2 comes out a bit boxy in comparison. Hype 4 has better slam, though Hype 2 provides better speed and articulation. In mids, Hype 4 outshines Hype 2 in every way. It feels natural and has good vocal presence for both male and female vocals and maintain a good timbre. In comparison, Hype 2 falls behind tonally and timbre is not up to the mark for a $300 IE amp. Treble is exciting and sparkly on Hype 2, which is a bit too much sometimes. While both of these trebles are very similar, but Hype 2 has a bit of sharpness in high instruments like cymbals, snares, which I did not like. And Hype 4 still carries that sparkliness but not that random sharpness, and it is never harsh as well. Technically, Hype 4 again reigns supreme in overall resolution. Sound staging and imaging seems similar in both Hype 4 and Hype 2, and it is a wider and holographic, and both compete very well with their segment. In conclusion, Hype 4 outshines Hype 2 in every aspect, making the extra $100 entirely worthwhile. Well, you can check Hype 4 comparison with Dusk and DaVinci on the channel. Till then, I'll see you on the next one.